Telo mar okumba mar thieth mar SHA wacho ni gisegoyo okang' e tieko midhiero manyocha okwako chenrono e chakruok mare. E twak margi, jotelogo wacho ni kwan Jo-Kenya ma osendikore e chenrono osekalo milion 12. Riwruok mar osiptende mag giwegi RUPHA bende koro osingo mar chwalo thieth ne jotuo e bwo chenro mar SHA. Chenrono wacho ni giseketo winjruok gi piny owacho ni obiro chulo gi gope duto ma gisebedo ka gibandho e bwo agulu machon mar NHIF. Jagoro mong'ere migawo mar thieth Harry Kimtai osingo ni sirkal dhi chuo gaput ma koro biro luwo kendo ni gope duto ma ibandho NHIF ochul.
We have, as of today, 6th October 2024, registered a total of 12,704,548 members into the Social Health Authority. This number includes verified members who are under the defunct NHIF and who have been transitioned to the Social Health Authority.
We have also received reassurances that in terms of your claims, that number one, the SHA portal for claiming should be up and running within the next 24 hours. So you should be able to claim through the SHA portal within the next 24 hours. The state agencies which owe money to the defunct NHIF, without any further delay, release those funds. We as providers are ready to cooperate, but we will cooperate when we have the money as well, because it is necessary for the provision of services.
We are going to fast track as a government payments of the pending bills. And to help us do that, we have formed a committee under my leadership, which will then quickly move and clear any pending bills so that we are able to support them. This is going to be sustainable for them in their service delivery.